Dear student, today we are going to discuss about nomenclature IUPAC. In last lecture we discussed about some functions. According to IUPAC system, standard 12, class standard 11, unit 12, chapter number 12. The name of an alcohol derived from the name of alkane. એટલે આલ્કેનના નામ પરથી આલ્કોહોલનું નેમ આપવામાં આવે છે. Substituting e of alkane with suffix ol. The position substituents are indicated by numerals for this longest carbon chain. એટલે મિથેનમાં one hydrogen replace થઈ OH આવે. So IUPAC name methane E we have to remove. Then methanol E remove કરી અને all લગાડવામાં આવે. So that is the IUPAC name. methane માં E replace કરીને all લગાડ્યું એટલે methanol થશે. The position of હવે longest chain 3 or 4 હોય carbons in the chain. So 1, 2, 3, here is 2. So lowest number we have to give. So butane to all of the position. Parent chain લાંબામાં લાંબી લેવાની and nearest to the hydroxyl group. અહીંથી third position થાય અહીંથી second. The second one we have to choose OH group. The other substituents are indicated by using the numbers of carbon atom. So these are attached for naming polyhydric alcohol. E of alkane is retained and the ending ol is added. The number of OH group is indicated by adding the multiplicative prefix. Sometimes OH group more than one હોય. So if 2 times OH હોય તો di, 3 times હોય તો tri, 4 times tetra, 2 times OH હોય તો di plus ol, diol, tri plus ol, triol. The position of the OH group are indicated by appropriate locants. OH, CH2, CH2, OH. So you can see here number of carbon is 2 and 2 OH on position 1 and 2. So 2 carbon means the ethane. Then 1 and 2 position. So ethane 1, 2 and 2 times ol. So diol. Ethane 1, 2 diol. 11.1 table gives common and IUPAC name of few alcohols. Here few alcohols are given here. We are going to discuss about it. This is the rules to give the for better understanding. Example gives a full understanding of the nomenclature. So you can see both name is here given, common and IUPAC. CH3, this one is a common name. This one is a IUPAC name. CH3 means methyl. In last lecture we discussed about it. And OH means alcohol. So it is methyl alcohol. CH3 means methyl, OH means alcohol. So it is a methyl alcohol. Two functional group combinedly we have to take methyl group and alcohol. So methyl alcohol in common name. But in IUPAC number of carbon is 1, so methane we discussed. In methane, E is replaced by ol. So methanol is IUPAC name. Second one, CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. Here is total number of carbon 3 and one hydrogen is less in the end of the chain. Normal propyl. This functional group is normal propyl. Then after alcohol, so normal propyl alcohol. Now here 1, 2 and 3. Number of OH should be listed. From this side it is 1. So we have to choose list number. So in IUPAC name propane 1-ol. Whenever we are giving numbers, so separately we have to take all. I can all add કરી દીધું કારણ કે નંબરિંગ નથી. નંબર આપ્યું so all separately લખવામાં આવે propane 1-ol. What about this? Here is 3 carbon. Out of 3 carbon, middle one has 1 hydrogen less, and that is the OH. So isopropyl. This group is isopropyl, and there is OH. So isopropyl alcohol is a common name. What about IUPAC name? Yes, or IUPAC name. Here total number of carbon is 3, and here is 1 OH. From right hand side also number is 2. Position is 2 of OH, so propane 2-ol is our IUPAC name. Now 1, 2, 3 and 4. Total number of carbons are 4 in chain, in straight chain. And in last one hydrogen is less, normal butyl. Then OH, so 2 functional group, normal butyl alcohol. What about IUPAC? Numbering from left hand side is 4. From right hand side it is 1. So list number we have to choose. So butane 1-ol is our IUPAC name. What about this? Total number of carbons are 4. Not in last but in middle position there is 1 hydrogen less, and there is OH. Secondary butyl. અહીંયા પણ કે અહીંયા secondary butyl alcohol. Secondary butyl alcohol. But IUPAC name 1, 2, 3, 4. From here is 3. I think 2 થાય, અહીંથી 3 થાય. So list number 2. So butane 2-ol. Butane 2-ol. Now this one CH3, CH3, CH2. You can see total number of carbons are 4. Yes. And now OH containing carbon is connected with another one, and there is a branch of one methyl group. So this one is called isobutyl group, and there is OH. So isobutyl first, and alcohol. Isobutyl alcohol is common name. Now what about IUPAC name? In IUPAC name we have to choose longest chain, the 1, 2 and 3. So this one is a branch. Now reactivity of alcohol and methyl. Alcohol having more. All is a suffix. Suffix. Last માં લખવામાં આવે. Methyl is a prefix. In the nomenclature, પહેલા તો reactivity order મુજબ we have to give order according to reactivity. Reactivity of OH group is higher than methyl group. So here 1, here 2 and 3. Reactivity order મુજબ order આપી દીધો. Then after prefix વાળું first and suffix વાળું last લખવાનું. So 2-methyl propyl propane 1-ol. Yes sir. Now then after, here is you can see CH3 CH3OH. OH containing carbon is attached with another 3 carbon. Total number of carbons are 4. So butyl final, but tertiary butyl. Why? OH containing carbon is tertiary, which is connected with another 3 carbon. Tertiary butyl alcohol. Now what about IUPAC name? So here is 1, 2 and 3. On second position there is methyl and there is OH group. So 2-methyl propane 2-ol. Yes, 2 longest chain માં 3 carbon, second ઉપર OH, second ઉપર methyl. So IUPAC name is 2-methyl. Methyl chain prefix છે, ol chain suffix છે. Suffix વાળું last માં, prefix વાળું first. So 2-methyl propane 2-ol is the IUPAC name. What about this? OH CH2 CH2OH. Here total number of carbons are 2. Yes, one more. In ethane, this is ethane. One hydrogen less ethyl. If 2 hydrogen less in both carbon, અહીંયા પણ એક less, અહીંયા પણ એક. Ethylene. 2 carbon હોય એમાં બેયમાં એક હાઇડ્રોજન લેસ હોય તો ethylene. This part is ethylene. Common name માં ethylene. And 2OH, ethylene glycol. But in IUPAC name, ethane 1,2-diol. Why? Ol 2 times, di plus ol. So combined word is diol. Ethane 1,2-diol. Now, in the last, here is glycerin, otherwise glycerol. Total number of carbons are 3. And all the 3 carbon contains OH group. So, there is no any rule. Glycerol, otherwise glycerin. હવે મોઢામાં અલ્સર થાય, ચાંદા પડે, we are using glycerin. For IUPAC name 1, 2 and 3. So propane 1, 2, 3 triol. Propane 1, 2, 3 triol is the IUPAC name. Why triol? 3 times ol. Tri plus ol. So triol is used for nomenclature. Yes, now cyclic alcohol. Before going to cyclic alcohol, we have to discuss about cycloalkane. Not linear alkane, but I am talking about cycloalkane. 1 or 2 carbon never makes a cycle. So cycle start means a ring. Cycle means ring. Start with 3 carbons. So CH2, 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 cyclopropane. Yes, in bond line structure, cyclopropane. This one, cyclobutane. CH2 4 times. This one, cyclo pentane. This one cyclohexane. Here is CH2. Why? Actually carbon forms 4 bond. 2 bond is formed, so remaining 2 with hydrogen to complete its 4 covalent bond. Here is also CH2, CH2 6 times. So which is a cyclohexane. C3H6 cyclopropane, C4H8 cyclobutane, C5H10 cyclopentane, and C6H12 is cyclohexane. Yes, cyclic alkanes. These are the cyclic alkanes, means a ring structure. In the cyclic alkane, OH group is present. Cyclic alcohol are named by using the prefix cyclo and considering the OH group attached to 1 અને OH વાળા કાર્બન નો નંબર 1 આપવાનો. Suppose here is OH, so cyclohexane nol. Here is CH2, 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 here is CH. The one hydrogen is replaced by OH. Cyclohexane plus ol, cyclohexanol. What about this? Cyclopropanol. What about this? Cyclobutanol. What about this? Cyclopentanol. This is cyclohexanol. Here is OH group. Yes. Now, what about this? Our main compound is cyclopentane. OH group on first position and methyl on second. So reactivity, due to reactivity order, OH stood first. Number should be first of OH and second of methyl. So methyl has a prefix, OH has a suffix. So 2-methyl cyclopentanol. આનો સફિક્સ હોય છે, આ પ્રિફિક્સ છે. મિથાઇલનો પ્રિફિક્સ એટલે મિથાઇલ પહેલા, સફિક્સ વાળું પછી. તો ઓર્ડર કેમાં મુજબ? રિએક્ટિવિટી મુજબ. એટલે રિએક્ટિવિટી OH ની અહીં છે, મિથાઇલ કરતા એટલે આનો ઓર્ડર ફર્સ્ટ અને સેકન્ડ. એટલે લખવામાં પ્રિફિક્સ વાળું ફર્સ્ટ, સફિક્સ વાળું લાસ્ટ. cyclopentanol. Phenols. The simplest hydroxy derivatives of benzene is a phenol. It is common name, also accepted as IUPAC name. Yes. Whenever benzene contains directly OH with it. So world famous name is phenol. Phenol was world famous name. So IUPAC has accepted as a phenol as IUPAC name. The structure of phenol involves a benzene ring. Substituted compounds turns ortho 1,2, meta 1,3 and para 1,4 used in common names. Yes. If 2 OH group are present in benzene ring, both are on adjacent carbon. So 1,2 position, so ortho. If 2 OH groups are on alternate position, so meta 1,3. If 2 OH groups are on opposite position, 1,4, so para. Derivatives. એટલે બેન્ઝીનમાં actually CH હોય ને, બેન્ઝીન is C6H6. સબસ્ટિટ્યુટેડ એટલે 1 OH આવે તો 1 સબસ્ટિટ્યુટેડ અહીંયા 2 જ જાય એટલે આ C6H4 થઈ જાય. સો ડાઈ સબસ્ટિટ્યુટેડ એમાં પોસિબિલિટીઝ ઓર્થો મેટા અને પેરા એટલે C6H4 OH twice. So ortho meta para word we are using for common name, but for IUPAC we are using 1 2 1 3 and 1 4 we are using. So now you can see benzene ring contains OH group which is the phenol, and write down in your book formula for it is a C6H5OH phenol. 1 hydrogen અહીંયા CH હોય, 1 hydrogen replaced by OH, so C6H5OH it is. Now what about cresols? Yes, here is CH, but here is only C. So C6H4 CH3OH like this. તો ત્રણેયની common formula થશે C6H4 this part 1 methyl 1 OH 1 methyl 1 OH. So cresol, whenever benzene ring contains one OH group and one methyl group which is called cresol. Cresol is the common name, yes, like a phenol, but cresol is not accepted as a IUPAC name. So IUPAC name of it is here reactivity of OH 1, here is 2. So 2-methyl phenol. Ortho means adjecting carbon ઉપર છે ortho. અહીં two substituents છે એ alternate છે એક મૂકીને છે. So metacresol. OH and methyl both on meta position. Metacresol in IUPAC 1, 2 and 3. 3-methyl phenol. 3-methyl phenol. What about paracresol? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here is 1. OH and methyl both are in opposite position. Paracresol. 4-methyl phenol. Reactivity of OH is high, so it stood first, methyl stood fourth. Here OH group having a suffix, methyl group having prefix, so 4-methyl phenol. So exam માં પૂછાય, give the structure having a formula C6H4 CH3OH. So there are 3: orthocresol, metacresol, para. Once again 3-methyl phenol. આનો order 1 આવે, reactivity high. 4-methyl phenol. Yes. And now next dihydroxy derivatives. Cresol માં 1-methyl and 1 OH is as a functional group, but in dihydroxy derivatives of benzene are known as 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4 benzene diols. 1 OH means ol, 2 OH means diol. So 2 OH in the benzene ring. In the benzene, there is C6H6. 2 hydrogen is replaced, C6H4. So 2 hydrogen replaced by 2 OH group. Yes, see here formula C6H4OH twice, otherwise C6H6O2 having structures are 3. This one is catechol. 2 OH group are on adjacent carbon, means very close, so catechol. 2 OH group are on 1 and 3rd position, so resorcinol. and two OH are on 1 and 4th position. So hydroquinone, otherwise quinol, which is hydroquinone, otherwise quinol. These are common name. Two OH group are on benzene ring, catechol, whenever both are very on close adjacent carbon per. Here 1 and 3rd position per. Here is on 1 and 4th position. Here is benzene 1,2-diol. Here is benzene 1,3-diol. Why diol? 2 times ol means diol, and position is 1 and 3 on benzene. Benzene 1,3-diol. Benzene 1,4-diol. Now ethers. Common name of ethers derived from the name of alkyl or allyl group, written as separate word in alphabetical order and adding the word ether at the end. For the giving common name of ether to groups alkyl or allyl, we have to written alphabetical order. This is ethyl. This one methyl. So E stood first. तो पहला E वाला लखवाना. So ethyl, methyl, then ether. This is the common name. For example, you can see C2H5 means ethyl, methyl, then ether. Ethyl, methyl, ether. Yes, some name and IUPAC name also here given. Come to the table. Suppose CH3 or CH3 is given. CH3 or CH3 is given. Then oxygen ની both side methyl group છે. So di prefix we have to use. Di 2 times methyl means methyl 2 times नहीं लखवाना. Dimethyl, then ether. This is common name. What about IUPAC name? Yes, I am giving you trick. Both side number of carbon same. So oxygen we have to add any side. This is OR, alkyl with oxygen, alkoxy group as a chain level. So methyl plus O, methoxy. Alkyl plus oxygen, so alkoxy કહેવાય આ part. As a branch level, methoxy. Then after 1 carbon. On methane, there is a methoxy group. So methoxymethane. Understood? Now second one. Both side ethyl group. Actually ethyl is CH3CH2. But in salt we are taking C2H5. Both side is ethyl group. So ethyl 2 times. But diethyl ether. That is diethyl ether. What about IUPAC name? In the ethyl group there is oxygen. So which is ethoxy. This part having 2 carbon with oxygen. So ethoxyethane. Ethoxyethane. Then CH3O, CH2, CH2 and CH3. What about this? This one is a methyl. This one is normal propyl. So in common name alphabetical order પહેલા M આવશે ABCD માં and પછી N. Then methyl normal propyl by 3 carbon માં end ઉપર 1 hydrogen less છે. નોર્મલ મિથાઇલ પેલા M વાળું પછી P વાળું મિથાઇલ નોર્મલ પ્રોપાઇલ ઇથર. હવે IUPAC નેમમાં બે સાઇડ નંબર ઓફ કાર્બન ડિફરન્ટ હોય અને તો બે સાઇડ સેમ હતા ને ગમે તે એક સાઇડ આલ્કોક્સી લાગે. Here both side different, so number of carbon less હોય ત્યાં alkoxy we have to add. So methyl plus O, so methoxy on first position. So this is branch. So 1 methoxy propane. એટલે પ્રોપેન ના એટલે જ્યાં લેસ કાર્બન હોય ને એની ઉપર alkoxy લગાવવાનું. So methoxy first position પર. So 1 methoxy propane. And which is anisole. Yes, here actually yes, we are first one side is a phenyl group benzene ring. We discussed in last lecture this part is a methyl, this part is a phenyl C6H5 means phenyl benzene ring, then after oxygen and methyl. So M and P, which one comes first? M in alphabetical order. So methyl, then phenyl, and last ether. This one also world famous chemical which is called anisole. Yes, and anisole is also accepted like phenol IUPAC name. So now in IUPAC name actual here 6 carbon, here is 1. So O combines with the less carbon having part. So methyl plus O, so methoxy. Methoxy on the benzene. So that is the methoxy benzene. That is the methoxy benzene. Yes. Now what about this? Here is benzene ring. Then O and ethyl group. This is ethyl. This is phenyl and ether. So ethyl E comes first in common name, alphabetical. Then P, ethyl phenyl ether. This one is phenitol. And CH3 હતો anisole, ethyl હતો phenitol. And IUPAC name. અહીંયા 6 carbon છે. Here is 2. So 2 સાથે O combine થાય. So ethoxy. Then benzene. Less carbon ઉપર alkoxy લાગે. Ethoxy benzene. Phenitol is not accepted with IUPAC name. Phenitol is only common name. Now we will discuss more about it in our next lecture. Till then, bye. Take care.